I am opening myself up to winning the lottery. I'm releasing any doubts that make me believe it's not possible. Because so many people win the lottery. I have evidence of that. So why can't it be me? It's so possible for me to win the lottery. I'm releasing the belief that I cannot win. Because I can, and I will. I deserve to win the lottery. I deserve to experience this money in my lifetime. I'm open to receive lottery winnings. I desire this in my reality, and I can have it. Winning the lottery is incredibly easy. I'm following my intuition, and I know it will lead me to the right numbers. I am attracting lottery winnings now. I can imagine myself winning the lottery right now. Close your eyes and imagine that. I'm so incredibly grateful for all the abundance I already have. I am so capable of winning the lottery today, right now. Money comes to me easily and instantly. Money is available to me at all times. I am certain that I will win the lottery. This is my time now. My multi-million-dollar prize is here for me now. Or multi-billion, whatever you please. There is so much good that I can do with this money. I believe in my power to win the lottery now. I am so grateful for the limitless possibilities of winning the lottery. Let me know in the comments below when you actually win the lottery, because it's going to happen with this tapping. I just know it. All right, thank you for tapping along with me. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Get my tapping bundles at the top of my page. Bye-bye.